My name is Victor MacPherson. I'm a district chief for Adjala-Tosorontio Fire Department. What I would look for doing an inspection and prior to purchasing it would be I'll have an electrical inspector come in and have the property inspected electrically to ensure that it's safe and any upgrades have been followed out properly or any alterations have been corrected. And the laneway would be ensured that it's wide enough for the fire vehicles to get through, and basically go through the barn for any trip hazards, any type of fuel load, anything in the barn that can pose a hazard to it, like unwanted electrical connections, unwanted cooking elements or fan in different locations throughout the barn. Just general tidiness and neatness of the whole property in itself. Some of the top reasons why agricultural properties burn, it depends on the type of the property. If it's a horse property in regards to people that are taking care of horses, it could be electrical, improper use of fans, heating, hot plates, or careless smoking. If it's a agricultural for horse, not horse, but cattle or pig, basically it's overuse of electrical systems, poor maintenance, and carelessness on the property owner's hired help. If a fire occurred on your property, what I would encourage the property owners to do is know where their location is, have everybody know where to dial 911 and where they are located. Everybody gets out, and then assess the situation on what you're able to do. I'd like to see a lot more of the agriculture area allowing the fire departments to come in and view their properties and see what's at the properties. Because fire departments respond to these properties, and if it's agricultural that has cattle or pig or poultry, we're dealing with large amount of different chemicals. So knowing what's at the property when we respond to that location, and having the property owner aware of what's on their property and how much. Some of the top tips that you can do as a horse owner and a property owner for a horse farm is cleanliness. Cleanliness is paramount, because then you reduce the risk of fire hazards and injury to personnel or livestock. Because simple hazards on the property can cost you a fair amount of money in the end. And wearing the proper equipment when you're working with the animals, helmets, gloves, boots, it's very important. Safety is number one.